Alright guys, model year 18 beta 300RR. Look what we've got here. If you can guess what this is, stop the video, write a comment. I bet you can't guess. I'll show you what it is. It's a little idea that I had. It's going on the bike, I can tell you that. Okay, so, well, I can't tell you what it is yet. I can tell you where it came from. IKEA makes these cutting boards. Yep, that IKEA. And great material. Machine's great. You can make all kinds of stuff out of them, and they're dirt cheap. So if you need a little bit of plastic, hit up your IKEA. Every time I go, I usually pick up a bunch of them and just have them around the workshop, use them for all kind of things. I told you I was going to show you what that little white piece of plastic was for. And here it is right here. I'm calling it the beta bib. And it sits right there. And it's to help keep mud from getting pushed back into the engine compartment, because my Enduro Engineering skid plate doesn't go up that far. So as you can see, the bike's wet, it's raining, it's going to be muddy today, so we're going to give it a test, see how well it works. Okay, first ride with the beta bib. You see it there. And it's maybe difficult to see, but it sure didn't let a lot of junk past it. Plug up that motor there. When I went out the first time in the morning, it was just packed with mud. Second time I hit some more puddles and it cleaned itself out. So right now I'd say we're better than we were. And we'll continue to see how that goes. I want to see if the pipe might have melted it a bit, but even if it did, it's no big deal. So yeah, beta bib. There you go. I'll post a drawing here, a link for that if you're interested.